Hello, the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share the details. So the first job opportunity is for freshers. So Coding Mart is hiring freshers. They are hiring full stack engineer. Basically, they need someone who is looking for making their career in the field of software engineering in programming language C Sharp. So 2023 and 2024 graduates can apply. Training location is Coimbatore and the project location would be Chennai. It would be US shift. Then the second job opportunity is actually the walk-in drive that is happening. So it would be in Chennai. Positions are QA analyst, QA intern. They are looking for 0 to 3 years. And if you are performing well, if your interview goes well, so at on-spot offer is also available. So your date of joining would be from 10th of September itself. Then 9 series is hiring for Python developer, QA engineer, and PHP developer. So the website is www.9series.com, and you can also share your CV at career@9spl.com. Along with the phone number is also provided. So these are few of the walk-ins that are going on. Apart from this, there are many other experienced related job opportunities. So one of the company is Sculpsoft, who is hiring QA engineers. Experience is 2 to 3 years. It is work from office itself, and the location is Ahmedabad. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineers who knows automation and manual testing as well. Experience is 4 to 7 years. Location is any, and the interested candidates please can share your CV at careers@impactqa.com. The location is any, so it's actually a remote job opportunity. You can work from any location, but you should have laptop and proper internet connectivity. Then there is a product-based gaming company who is hiring for manual testers 3 to 5 years, immediate joiners. Location is Gurugram, and you can share your CV at this email address. Then there are number of positions open in Bangalore for the company Gamma Tech. So they are looking for WordPress developer, Node.js developer, QA game tester, business analyst, inside sales executive. All are 3 plus years of experience roles. Then Zapier is hiring for QA automation, 3 plus years of experience. Location would be Jaipur. If you are APM, if you are APN engineer or APN lead, then it's a remote job opportunity. Notice period is 15 to 30 days. Immediate joiners are required, and you can share your CV at this email address. Then senior QA consultant role at ThoughtWorks. So experience is 5 to 8 years. Notice period would be immediate to 45 days. Location is Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, work from office itself. And they are looking for someone who knows API automation along with UI automation, knows manual testing, rest assured, in-depth CI/CD knowledge, knowledge in mobile application testing. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then there is a requirement for API and manual tester who can join at one of the company. So it's 1 plus year of experience is required in the field of software testing. And this is the URL where you need to apply. Then there is a requirement for QA tester with 3 to 5 years of experience. Location would be remote with some occasional visits to Pune. So these are the salary ranges and the number of years of experience that they are looking for. And the email address is provided, even the WhatsApp number has been provided. Then there is a remote role for QA manual tester. Shift would be night shift. Notice period is immediate to 15 days. Minimum 5 years of hands-on experience in manual testing and 2 years of experience in automation testing. And they need someone who is having hands-on experience with handling complex SQL queries using joins. And this is the email address. Then CCI Infotech is hiring for QA manual. Experience required is 1 to 3 years, and skills required is 1 plus years of experience in mobile app testing across Android, iOS, and web. And location is Mohali, and you can share your CV at this email address. Persistent Systems is hiring for senior API automation, and they are looking for 6 to 12 years of experience. And this is the email address where you need to apply, swati_shelke3@persistent.com. Location is Pan India, and they're looking for someone who is immediate, who can join immediate to 15 days itself. So these were a few of the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, the walk-in drives that we saw. I would request you to please subscribe our channel and like and share this particular video among the job seekers so that it can reach to the maximum people. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.